So as you can see from the previous query I ran, it returned 300,000 rows, which is it did not take 1.2 seconds. It took longer than that. It returned those rows in that amount of time, but the time it took to print to the screen took a longer time. If there's one thing you can learn about what I just did, is you never really want to select all from a table. You always want to limit it by something. Like we'll go into that. Well, the more you can limit your query to what you want, the faster it'll be, the more accurate it'll be, the better for the database it's going to be. So what we're going to do is, since we already have our table set up, and we're going to show tables again. So here's our tables, and then what we'll do is we'll have to interjoin a few tables. So if you've never done this before, it's slightly confusing. A short explanation is you have a department manager table, and you have departments. So every manager is going to be assigned a department. So you could have similar information in here, such as department number, and then department number will also be in here. However, department name could be in here, but department name could not be in here, just a department number. So how would you get to the department name along with the manager? So to do something like that, suppose describe this. I have to remember my syntax. There we go. So this has the department number and then the department name. And if we look into department manager, so DPP, you can see that has the department number and then a from and to date of when they're hired and then when they leave the company. So we'll select the department name, and we'll have to do it like this. We want to join them together. Departments.name, and then we'll want the manager, which he has the employee number. So then we'll select manager.emp from departments, and we'll interjoin that on department manager. And this is the important part. So what we're going to join this on is department number, because that's the common field between the two tables. So department managers will need department number is equal to departments dot department number. And then we can limit this even more by saying where employee number is less than 100. Yeah, employee number, so we'll do VP. And we'll see what this returns. Empty set. Okay, so no employee is number is less than 100. So I'll copy this whole thing and I'll do it again. This is why people like GUIs. Let's just select the department name. Let's start with that. From departments. Okay, so these are all the department names. And what I was trying to do was get also the manager of each of those departments to show up there. So we'll select all from departments. I just told you not to do that, didn't I? And then I'll inner join that on the same table I was trying to join on, which is department manager. And this will be the employee number, if I remember right. EMP underscore yep. Is going to be equivalent to departments EMP number. Oh, I'm sorry, it should be department number. See what this returns. Okay, so this selected, you can see all of the departments, and then I didn't select the employee ID. See if I can go back up to the line now. I mean, crap. Name and then from departments, inner join on the same table we just did, which was department manager. Dot department number is equal to departments dot all right, last time. EMP underscore NO is a column there, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Oh, you know why? I didn't put a comma in between these. Inner join department manager department number inner join on the department number is equal to department number. Yay! So we finally got the information we were looking for, which was we have the department name and then those managers assigned to those departments and their employee number. Okay.